Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Look what I got. I think this is the last one. I thought the last one I opened was the last one, but this must be the last one. If you don't know what it is, it's from Bibbidi Box. And so I had canceled my subscription because Disney was open and I actually got to go to the park last week. So let's just see what we've got here. I'm gonna pull out the Bibbidi bag. I love these iridescent bags. They come in every month. So everybody's got a laugh in place. This is the packing slip. We'll look at that later. Let's see what we've got in here. What kind of goodies? Uh-oh, something. We've got a bag. I see some ears. Ooh. Let's look at the ears. Look at these ears. Oh, I love it. I love these ears. Beautiful. It's a Disney Parks exclusive, it says. Did I see these ears? I might have saw these ears. There were a few more ears. I got two ears I think I bought there, and there were 2 more ears I wanted to buy, but yeah. These are beautiful ears. Okay, let's see what else. There is a bag. I'm gonna put this right here and take out the other things. What is this? We have some bath salts from basin.com. And look at the beautiful bag it comes in. So let's see. This is another park exclusive. Oops. My sniffer's not that good, but I can't really smell. So we'll see how it is in the bath. The other thing I got it is a mystery pack. So it says each pack contains 5 random selected pins. Really? 5 of them in here? Each pack contains 5 randomly selected pins. Well, let's check it out. So I guess everything this month was from the park. Woohoo! Okay, so let's see what Marvel pins we get. Let's see. I guess we could have looked at what. So these are the 14 that you can get. So yeah, right off the bat, I want Cap, Spidey, Iron Man, Gamora. 1, 2, 3, Thor, Gamora. I said her already. So those are probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I don't know. We'll see. So we got Gamora. We got Spidey. We got Iron Man. We got Captain America. Ooh, is this Black Widow? I'm not sure who she is. This one here. She might be Black Widow. Yes! I love them all. Thank you, thank you. Oh, this is awesome. And they all have the Disney icons in the back. So perfect. I also got, how many pins? I only bought 3 pins there at the park. 2. 1, 2. Yeah, 3 pins for myself. I got. So let's see what the bag is. with a green interchangeable bow included. So let's see. Sorry for the crinkling. Oh boy. There we go. Let's see, let's see. I still can't tell. What is it? Oh. Who is it? It is another Sanrio bag. So like a Hello Kitty bag, is that what it is? I think so. But it has this twisted handle. Here's the one bow and here's the other that is interchangeable. Tuxedo Sam, that's his name, Tuxedo Sam. So there must be another strap on the inside so that you could wear it, you know, across your body or over your shoulder. Yep, there's that. There's a good size in there. There's a zippered pouch on one side and nothing on the other side. Cute. Cute, cute. So yes, unfortunately, this is possibly it is my last one because I've not paid for it anymore. So you want to look at the prices. So this was the Wish Come True blue ears, and these were $29.99. The Marvel kit was $27.99, the mystery pack of 5. This is Electric Lemonade bath salts, and those were $5.99. And then the Tuxedo Sam crossbody bag was $65. So yes, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.